It's okay to be skeptical. I understand skeptical. But it's not okay to steal from yourself and your family. And it certainly isn't okay to be broke. What most business owners don't know is you are a target. The IRS is really cracking down now because the country needs money. It has hired 4,000 new auditors and put new guidelines in place for auditing as many people as possible, especially taxpayers making over $250,000 every year. Don't wait until Uncle Sam gets to you. Go ahead and schedule your initial strategy session today. Listen, I'm a hardworking American citizen just like you. I believe in the values this country was built on and that everyone should pay their fair share of taxes. That is, if they owe them. The plain truth is, most people overpay taxes. If I can show you in the tax code how it is legal for you to pay at least 60% less than you are paying now, do you really owe the taxes? The answer is obviously no. But poor people don't think like that. Here's what poor people do. They go throughout the year spending more than they make, never really catching up, worrying that earning any extra money is going to increase their tax bill. After the year ends, they tally up their receipts and write that big check to Uncle Sam. The IRS banks trillions of dollars every year on the fact that most people are lazy and aren't going to do the homework to reduce their taxes. So poor people are like lambs being led to slaughter, blindly paying taxes they don't really owe. That's not what wealthy people do. That's not what smart people do. That's not what savvy business owners who are creating wealth for future generations do. I know you're one of the smart ones because you're listening to this. So let me tell you what wealthy people do. Before they earn a dime, they figure out how to minimize or completely eliminate their tax burden to keep more money in their pockets. That's where I come in. I work with business owners and entrepreneurs to set up programs that give them automatic deductions and ensure that they pay as little tax as possible. Wealthy people take the money they would have paid Uncle Sam and buy all the finer things in life. They save, invest, and leave an inheritance for their children and their children's children. Wealthy people have peace of mind because they know their financial affairs are in order. They easily build more wealth because they never have that hefty tax bill at the end of the year. You know the government needs money in order to continue operating this country. The issue here is who the IRS will collect that money from. The government gives the underprivileged money through social assistance programs like welfare, Section 8, and earned income credit. The IRS can't collect enough from the middle class, which is why we're in this economic downturn now. The wealthy have fancy tax attorneys working on their cases all year long to ensure they pay as little tax as possible. That only leaves you, the business owner, to shoulder the tax burden of America. The president has already attempted to increase taxes for citizens making over $250,000, but Congress voted it down at the last minute. Believe me, that won't be the case next time. The country is in a serious debt crisis and needs funds to survive. That money is going to come from somewhere. So what will you do? Will you stand up for your family's future and stop giving money you don't owe to Uncle Sam? Or will you continue on to the slaughter? Listen, I stand behind every single strategy I show you how to implement. And in the unlikely event the IRS challenges anything I've recommended, I'll respond like a hungry pit bull protecting its dinner. Remember, I told you I was angry. The one thing you want on your side is an angry black woman who knows the IRS code like the back of her hand. So protect yourself. A tax plan is like a suit of armor against the IRS. It's impenetrable because it's built on the tax law. Every strategy cites the tax code it's based on. A tax plan is a written step-by-step plan that automatically lowers your taxes to the absolute minimum. It protects you from the IRS, it builds wealth, it secures your family's future, it keeps more money in your pocket, it gives you peace of mind, and it's 100% legal. Why wouldn't you do everything in your power to protect your money? Right now, you can be one of the 5 new clients I work with each month. But warning, warning, tax plan programs must be in place before the end of the year. That is, if you want to save $30,000 to $50,000 on your next tax return. Time is of the essence. You must take action now. Call my office to set up your initial strategy session. 770-451-6330. Thank you.